Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's gonna be a quick little video how to install one of these billet catch cans. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go down to here to this harness, and there's gonna be little threaded clips on it. They're not even threaded. They're just like the same clips that go right here. You're just gonna grab them and you're gonna yank them out just so you can move this to the side. Take your bolt, figure out, so there's a hole right here that's threaded. There's another one that's right here that's actually threaded. This one's not threaded. This one's threaded. This one right here is threaded. And this one right here up top is also threaded. So right there, to me, would be fine. It's a preference on where you want it. I think I want mine right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bolt, stick it through this little washer, put this down in the spot you want it, put the bolt through the hole, and then start threading it to the spot that you want. Alright, so this bolt, when you guys start threading it in, if you're gonna use a socket or anything, it's a 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. So don't tighten it all the way because this will be out of place and everything. Make sure that it is level, because when the oil and everything goes in there, you want it to be level. Also, when you're putting this on, make sure you're putting it in a location where you have plenty enough room to actually unscrew the catch can. And don't over tighten it, because you are tightening this catch can to an aluminum block, so you will strip out the threads on it. Alright, so after you get that figured out, you're gonna come up here to your intake. You're gonna take off these hoses right here that connect. Hopefully they're not on there like mine. Pull those off and we'll grab some pliers. Alright, so what I basically did, I took some pliers, I wrapped it around here. Make sure this is something that you're gonna do, because if not, you're gonna have to replace this. I wrapped some pliers around this and I twisted it back and forth to loosen it up. And then it just pulled right off. And then this one, that one just slid right off. So if you're looking at it from where the angle bracket is, the inlet is right here. So this is the in. This side right here is in, this side right here is out. So then just slide that over the hose, and then just slide your hose over the can. Alright, now before you install pieces to the existing, you're going to take this pipe, you're going to take these brackets off the old one, and so you're going to slide the old ones back on there, like so. Just like that. You're going to angle them this way. So that's the elbow is going to angle out towards the front of the car. Two connector pieces, you're going to take these and you're just going to slide these in to there. Same with this one. You're going to take this one, you're going to slide it in there. You may or may not have to get new ones. I think I might have to get some new ones because these are not really locking in that tight. But so if yours aren't locking in tight, you're more likely gonna have to get new ones. I think you can get new ones at AutoZone, but I'm just gonna hold off on mine for the end of this video. Then you're gonna run your tubes back. So if you're like me and you already pre-cut your tubes to go over there, which you aren't, you might have to cut a little bit more off. So I got to cut about 1 inch off, about 2 inches off, 1.5 inches. All right, so now you're just gonna take these pieces right here, slide that over that in, make sure there's nothing in the way. Slide this piece, you can take it back out, slide it in there to about the halfway mark, and then slide the other end back into there. Yeah, I need to get new ones because those are way too loose. And just repeat that process down here. So basically, after So if you have to go out and get a new one, this is what it's called. Just so you can get these grommets off of it. Push this in here. You can see how tight of a fit that is now. It doesn't really want to come out. That's it. Have a good one.